So this is our second part of our two-part lesson on adjectives. Commonly, you're going to see what kind of, how much of, and which one for adjectives. The great thing about adjectives is that it's really easy to remember what an adjective is. If you're the reader or the listener, anything that helps you to perceive the attributes of a noun or a pronoun, that's an adjective. So if you close your eyes and someone says house, okay, house, and then all of a sudden they say the big house. Now I have a picture in my brain of a big house. 3 big houses. Now I have a picture in my brain of 3 houses. 1, 2, 3, and they're big. 3 big wooden houses. Now I know what they're made of. 3 big wooden houses. 3 big wooden scary houses. Now I get a sense of their scariness. Anything that helps the reader, the listener, crystallize the picture more, like if it's vague, just a noun or a pronoun might be vague. You know, she, you know, he, you know, Stephen, you know, a house. They're vague, right? It's just all by itself. But once a word helps to describe or modify that noun or pronoun, if it helps you to paint a specific picture, and you're able to see it more clearly, like crystal clear in your mind's eye, that is 99% short adjective. Even articles. So you're saying the book or a book. Okay, so a book implies what? Well, it implies that it's a book out of a group of books, or it's whereas the book implies that this is the singular book that we're looking for, or the singular book that we're discussing. So it helps to paint a picture of specifically what that noun is, the attributes. So even an article is an adjective. 3 little pigs, 3 and little are adjectives. The 3 pigs are little, so the adjectives can show up anywhere in the sentence, but any word that helps you to take a picture and it's clearer, it's a clearer picture of that noun or pronoun, that's definitely an adjective. So you've got what kind of? You've got the blue shirt. How much of? Many people. Many is an adjective because it describes many. So it's not just people, it's many people. So now we have a picture. Okay, there's many, or there's 3, or there's several, or there's 7. Which one? That dress. Again, this specifies dress. So you've got dress, and then it's that dress. Okay, so now my mind's eye, I'm looking at wherever the speaker is pointing, or wherever they're nodding. They're saying that dress, the dress, her dress. Now the dress has an attribute. It has an owner. It's her dress. You know, it's his baseball cap. So his is an adjective. Now when it comes to nouns, you've got compound nouns like baseball cap. A lot of times it's considered a compound noun, but baseball can also be considered an adjective in that sense. So a lot of times, the main point to remember about all parts of speech, including adjectives, is context. So you've got a word like baseball. Well, baseball is clearly a noun. The baseball, a baseball, her baseball, their baseball. But if you put it baseball cap or baseball field, now you're looking at a compound noun, or baseball is now being used as an adjective. So it's really key to look at how is the word being used in the sentence. In this specific sentence, what is that context? So again, adjectives are words that help the reader or the listener paint a more specific, less blurry picture of what the noun or pronoun is. makes it so much easier to pick out adjectives. And again, they describe or modify nouns. Thank you very much.